Welcome back to Happy Maths class. I am a teacher and also a mother, and today I want to talk about something many parents worry about. When a child says, I don't like maths, don't worry, I will show you 3 simple techniques that work beautifully. Many children feel stressed or scared when they sit with maths homework. Sometimes the numbers look confusing and they feel alone and overwhelmed. That's why technique number 1 is shadow learning. Instead of sending your child to study alone, simply sit beside them. You don't have to teach, just be present. When children feel your calm presence, their confidence improves. They try again, they don't panic, and maths becomes less scary. Technique number 2, visual maths. Before using notebooks, always use objects. Children learn faster when they can touch, see, and move real things. For example, instead of saying what is 7 minus 3, use 7 objects, remove 3, and show the answer visually. Understanding becomes immediate. Technique number 3, real life maths. Teach maths naturally through everyday activities. In the kitchen, count tomatoes, measure ingredients, sort vegetables. At the store, let your child choose 5 apples or count packets while shopping. Small tasks make maths meaningful. During play, count cars, add toys, subtract blocks. Kids learn best when they are relaxed and enjoying themselves. And parents, please avoid this. Don't say this is easy, why can't you understand? Don't compare your child with others and don't rush them. Pressure creates fear. The right approach is encouragement. Say things like, let's try it together, take your time. A supported child becomes a confident learner. If these tips helped you, subscribe to Happy Maths class for more parent-friendly guidance and daily math support for children. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.